Hello children, welcome to the online teaching session of class 5. Today I will teach you chapter 13, We are proud of them in social studies. Let us begin the lesson. The history of the human race is full of extraordinary stories of great women and men. Their hard work and achievements have helped to change and improve our society in different ways. Let us read about some of them. Marie Curie, 1867 to 1934. Marie Curie was a very famous scientist. With her husband Pierre Curie, she discovered two new elements, polonium and radium. Polonium was named after her homeland Poland. Radium was used to develop X-rays. Marie Curie was the first woman to be awarded a Nobel Prize. She was awarded two Nobel Prizes, one in physics in 1903 and another in chemistry in 1911. She is the only woman to have received the prize twice. Jonas Salk, 1914 to 1995. Jonas Salk was a medical scientist with a group of researchers and he developed a vaccine for influenza. He also studied the poliovirus and developed a vaccine against polio. When the vaccine is injected into children, it protects them from the deadly polio infection. Salk's vaccine has been responsible in nearly wiping out polio from the world. Martin Luther King Jr., 1929 to 1968. Martin Luther King Jr. was an American priest and leader. He fought to achieve equality and justice for the African American people who were treated unfairly. In 1963, he delivered the famous I Have a Dream speech. It inspired many Americans to fight for a society where all people are equal. In 1964, he was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for his efforts to improve the lives of African Americans. Shirin Ebadi, 1947. Shirin Ebadi is a lawyer, writer, and a human rights activist. She was the first female judge in Iran. In 1979, she was removed from her position as a judge. She got a license to practice law in the Iranian courts in 1992. As a lawyer, she fought for the rights of women and children in Iran. In 2003, she was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for promoting the rights of women and children in Iran. Jane Austen, 1775 to 1817. Jane Austen was an English novelist. Her books are widely read even today. Her first novel was Sense and Sensibility. She also wrote Pride and Prejudice, Mansfield Park, and Emma. Of these, Pride and Prejudice is her most popular novel. It provides a vivid picture of life among the upper class in England during her time. Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy was a Russian novelist, short story writer, playwright, and philosopher. He is one of the greatest writers of the world. He is best known for his two novels, War and Peace and Anna Karenina, an important work of world literature. War and Peace is a novel which portrays life in Russia in the 19th century. Now, Abraham Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln was the 16th President of the United States of America. He was also a civil rights activist and a lawyer. He kept America united during the Civil War. He is credited with ending slavery in America. Did you know Lincoln kept all his important documents in his hat? This is the nice thing, interesting thing. He kept all his documents in his hat. Golda Meir, 1898 to 1978. Golda Meir was the Prime Minister of Israel. She served from 1969 to 1974. She was known as the Iron Lady of Israeli politics. She played an important role in building Israel. Golda Meir was one of the people to sign the Israeli Declaration of Independence. She also served as the Foreign Minister and the Labor Minister of Israel. Golda Meir was awarded the Israel Prize for her contribution. Sportspersons: Jesse Owens, 1913 to 1980. James Cleveland Owens, popularly known as Jesse Owens, was one of the greatest track and field athletes of the 20th century. He specialized in sprints and the long jump. At the age of 22, he won 4 gold medals at the 1936 Berlin Olympic Games. He won more medals in the 100 meter, the 200 meter, and 4 into 100 relay and the long jump. Nadia Comaneci, 1961. Nadia Comaneci is one of the finest gymnasts of all times. She is the winner of 5 Olympic gold medals. In the 1976 Summer Olympic Games in Montreal, Canada, she won gold medals in 3 events. In the Moscow Olympic Games in 1980, she won 2 more gold medals. She is the first woman gymnast to score a perfect 10 in a gymnastics event. So children, thank you and have a nice day.